What's good? What is good? What is good? And today, as y'all can see, we are a little parched. We don't have nothing to drink. We got action. Alright, okay, what's good, YouTube? And today, y'all see, bringing y'all a different. See what we got going on, man. For real, for real. That's what we drinking on today. As y'all can see,
what y'all choose?
We ain't got too many flavors to choose from. Come on, KD. Let's get this thing made. Cause you know you got bedtime. So what we need first, we need to go ahead and get this ice. So that ice can be chilling on the cup, getting the cup right. And I probably ain't gonna even use no measuring cup. I'll probably just go pour. Cause my Kool-Aid tastes better when I pour. Just.
But.
What type of...
Get us a big jug.
Where's the picture?
Cause we know we don't got nothing to drink.
We ain't got nothing to drink, man.
I'm gonna show y'all the refrigerator.
We ain't got nothing to drink. I would put these in there just for a little snack, you know, a little spicy snack.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the... Nah, we not gonna.
So if y'all out there, TV land, give us a deal. We trying to, hey.
Finna show y'all the refrigerator.
Come on, son, you just all in the mic. And we had to get that good Clover Valley sugar, good cheap sugar. This is a cheap household. But this is how you save money. If you want to save money for beverages, keep your water bill paid, buy you some Kool-Aid and sugar, and you can drink for days. So first off, we want to start off by washing our hands. Let's wash our hands, Kaden. Make sure let that water get good and hot like the doctor's office. What we got right here? Gentle and clean foam and hand soap. That's gonna get hot. I don't think you're gonna be able to take it. Let's see. You like it? Let the camera see you. Let the camera see you wash your hand, man. That's not how you wash no hands. That's not how you wash no hands.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't. The internet will tear you up if they see you do that. Wash them hands, get them. That's how the doctors do it. We gotta do like the doctors do.
I put my feet in that way.
Come on, man. You gotta pull your sleeves up and wash them hands and stuff. We got 30 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, ooh, that feel good. Nice warm water up against my skin, getting it clean, cause we about to perform a procedure. Go ahead and get them hands clean, man, before we go in here and work on this patient real quick.
Some nice cold water.
Yeah, okay, so I got you a paper towel.
Nice cold water.
There you go, I got you two. And I got me two. Let's clean up. Let's get real clean before we do this. This is how you make the proper Kool-Aid. You know, I feel like I make the best Kool-Aid. My boy King Explicit, he feel like he make the best Kool-Aid. My son, KD, he feel like he make the best Kool-Aid. You need to come over and get in the camera, son. For real, for real. Get in the camera. Okay, don't sit there right there. We'll clean our area back up. We gotta make sure we keep the area nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? You wanna wash and sanitize boards. You wanna clean up. Let me see. See, if you stay clean, you ain't gotta get clean. You know? Okay. So let's see. We got a measuring cup for the sugars. We got Kool-Aid, 2 packs of it. Blue raspberry lemonade is by Kool-Aid, you know, unsweetened drink mix. This for the ones that's just tuning in. If you just not tuning in, this is for you. We're making Kool-Aid tonight. Son, you need to get out the camera. Come on over this side. On this side. We're working. You don't worry about the camera. Let the camera do what it do. Okay, so what you know about? Tell me what you know. What's your way of making Kool-Aid? What would you do if you was making Kool-Aid? What would you do? What would you do first? Like pick the Kool-Aid? Come on, you act like it's hard. Come on.
I put water in it first.
Okay. Well, let me do my thing, cause I don't think you really know. Let me do what I know how to do. I don't know what the other picture at. Here you go. Here you go, right here. We got us a nice picture for that thing. A nice picture. It smells like tea.
Sugar first or do the
Sugar?
do the pack first?
Oh, sugar? The sugar.
And then I seen my
supposed to
man.
come first.
I seen some people use cold water. I seen some people use hot water. I seen some people use lukewarm. What type of water you like to use?
Hot.
I like to use warm water as well, because I don't have to use as much sugar when I use warm water. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to teach y'all a little science trick. So when you using sugar and you using hot water, what you want to do is, or warm water, what you want to do is, that's going to help that sugar, because cold water, you got to use so much sugar. You be imposed so much sugar. So I'm going to show y'all a trick tonight. I'm going to show y'all a trick, show y'all how we do this. We're going to put... Go ahead and get our water.
And put like 4 pounds.
And then we're going to take 1 pack of the blue raspberry. We're going to take 1 pack of that thing. And we're going to pour it in there.
Pour.
Go pour it in there. Get some of that. Pour it in there. And I'm going to cut that cold water off. Finish up with hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to take that right there. Shake that so we can get all the contents, all the ingredients. Get all the joints loose. You know what I'm saying? I wish we had a lemon. We ain't got no lemon, dude. We got some lemon juice?
Nah, it'll be kind of nasty.
Nah, lemon juice gonna help that thing out. We ain't got no lemon juice. I pour Coca-Cola in it.
Pour it in there.
Bit it up. Go throw it away. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all get a whiff of that thing of how we coming along, you know? We got a nice blue tint. Got a little bit of Kool-Aid floating around in it.
I'ma pour this in.
We got a little bit of Kool-Aid floating around in that thing.
I'm gonna tap it.
And we're gonna put it right there so y'all can see it.
I'm gonna top it off.
Okay, don't you knock that Kool-Aid? We ain't gonna top it off with that. You can drink it now though if you want to. And then I was gonna use this measuring cup. I'm probably still gonna use the measuring cup just so I can be professional. You see me, Kayla?
Yeah.
You wanna get your sugar. Sometimes it be a little hard to open, but just in case it is, we're gonna do 2 cups. Well, our measuring cup ain't big enough. We only have a 2 cup measuring cup. So we're gonna do 2. Nah, we're not gonna get diabetes. Ooh, that's gonna be thick. And then I'm finna pour 1, so we're gonna do 2.5, right?
Yeah.
So we did 2 for the first cup. Now we at 1. Y'all see that? Make sure y'all see that we at 1. So you wanna pour that in there. Then you wanna hit it with a little bit of up. That's how you want to do it. You want that thing to be right. Then you want to fold that sugar back up real tight. So for the ones, if it's some creatures in your house, or if you got some ants or some roaches or whatever, it won't be able to get to it. See, I wish we had us a plastic bag to put this in. We got a plastic bag to store this in.
Yes.
Ziploc bag, but we'll find something later. All right, you need our ice. Get our ice out. Get our ice, because it's finna go down. So I let that sugar right there sit, right? I let it fall to the bottom. I did 2.5 cups. I let it all fall to the bottom. I might hit it with a little bit more. just so it'll be right. Alright, no more sugar now. We don't want y'all tooth be hurting. Liquid diabetes. We don't want none of that. Oh, you finna break that. Let me see that. Let me get that right now. You know what I'm saying? We got them old ice trays. We ain't got no. Oh Lord. We ain't got no ice maker.
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
That one might.
We ain't got no ice maker. Let's do it. Letting it sit. We letting it sit. And I know we got a lot of extra talking going on, but hey, that's what's gonna create character. We're gonna need a lot of ice for your nice cold beverage. Let's see. Oh, he's greedy. He's being greedy. My junior, he don't need much ice. Cause he said he gonna drink a Capri Sun and he gonna drink. Let me see that right now. What we got? Okay, so we're gonna rinse this off. We got a big, huge, silver chrome looking spoon. Y'all ready? Ready to put that whip on that thing? Watch me whip that Kool-Aid. Oh, Kool-Aid wasting. Oh man. You gotta start off slow, y'all, because you don't want your whirlpool to be wasting Kool-Aid all out the side. So you start it off slow, bring it up slow. Whip, it's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist game. It's all in the wrist, baby. That's what's gonna determine if your Kool-Aid come out right. Let y'all see this. It's all in the wrist. Katie, keep a little spin on it. Put a little pearl on it. I'm finna let the YouTubers see out there in YouTube world. Let them see that spin we putting on it. You see it? Y'all gotta put that spin. Y'all see that whirlpool? Put that whirlpool on that thing. We whipping that thing. Whip, 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 whip. Whip, whip. Now I'm finna let him get a little taste. Make sure it's right. What you think?
Good.
It's good.
It's a little warm though.
It's a little warm, yeah.
But
Cause we use
ice.
Yeah, cause we use warm water. Duh. We use warm water. Okay, so after we done mixed it down, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off my spoon, you know, cause I like to clean up as I go, you know, so I don't have no mess at the end of the process. Clean up as I go, wipe everything off. Let me get that right there so I can put some water in that thing. Fill that tray back up. Fill up that tray. Fill up that tray. Showing them work. Hey, we creating evergreen videos, man. This is our first evergreen video. So to those of you out there looking for ways to create different content, create some evergreen content. How to. The correct way to. Okay, so we finna pour up the first cup of this goodness. Oh man, I gotta get something out of here. Got something. Son, all that dancing around, you ain't helping. Okay, so we're gonna let Kaden do the honors and get the first cup, you know. Look at that. Nice blue hue. That's Huey blue. Blue Ivy. We drinking on that Blue Ivy. Get in front of the camera. Let the world see you drink that goodness. Hold on, let me pour mine. Pour it up. Pour it up.
Delicious.
Hey. Good.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm gonna let mine chill a little bit more. Let that thing curate. Let it cure. Let me see. I'm gonna be greedy. Bit back real quick. What you doing over there? Ah, man, that thing ain't right. Woo! So, that's it, y'all. We finna do the Kool-Aid challenge. From now on out, I need everybody create their version of the Kool-Aid challenge. And that's it. That's what we did. We added water. We added some sugar to the water.
Hey, we did
No. First off, we washed our hands. You want to wash your hands. Get your Kool-Aid pitcher. Get all your ingredients. Put some water into your pitcher at your desired level. Add your Kool-Aid contents. Then you want to add a little more water. Then after you do that, add your preferred sugar level or your desired amount of sugar. Stir. Let it chill. Pour it over some ice and enjoy yourself a cool beverage. Thanks for making Kool-Aid with me and KD.
Figure it out.
Anything you want to say to them before we go?
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Subscribe, like, and comment. That's what's up.
So yeah.
And that Kool-Aid look good. Y'all make sure y'all go make y'all some Kool-Aid, man. Pour up a cup. Like, comment, subscribe, share the content. Peace. We out. One love, baby.